Just last week, I was setting up a new affiliate who has almost 1 million followers on LinkedIn, and she found the platform super easy to set up. I'm head of partnerships and operations here at Huntr. Huntr's an AI resume builder and job search platform used by over 400,000 job seekers to support them in building their resumes, tracking their job search, and creating supplemental material like cover letters and getting ready for interviews. When we began looking for affiliate software to manage affiliates, what we actually found was on Reddit, actually, a lot of folks that were singing Rewardful's praises, saying that it was a great team, that it was a great piece of software that just worked really well. We faced one issue after the implementation process that we really weren't expecting. We had some folks sign up and they were using Google Ads against our keywords to sort of get their first affiliate link forward. The support team at Rewardful was super helpful in helping us navigate how to disable those accounts, how to make sure that we had clear systems in place so that we could prevent this from happening in the future. We did look at other competitors in the space, but there was a lot of hoops to jump through with different meetings and demos and salespeople. So we just found it really easy to jump right into Rewardful and get started, which is what we love. When we first signed up for Rewardful, we do what we love to do, which is click around, right? So we jumped right into the software, signing up and making sure that it was just easy to use and intuitive. One of my favorite features of Rewardful is how easy it is to work with PayPal's mass payouts. Super easy at the beginning of the month. We can get all of those folks paid and it's all clearly documented. We found really great results in getting over 100 affiliates, tens of thousands of traffic through those partnerships, and tens of thousands of dollars in terms of revenue coming in from the affiliate program. And it's something that's been just really on autopilot. We have a form that folks sign up on our website. We have them sign a contract, set up their link with Rewardful, and they're off and running. For those folks that are in startups that know that it takes a lot of time, there's a lot of priorities, Rewardful is a partner that really helps you get started and up and running very quickly with your affiliate program.